Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make pineapple and passion fruit juice. This juice is so refreshing and it is a very good combination of two wonderful fruits. This juice will help to aid digestion, boost your immunity, and also help to refresh your skin. So if you want to find out how I make this, stay tuned. To make this refreshing juice, I'll be using pineapple. So I will peel the skin of the pineapple. When I'm done peeling, I'll cut the pineapple into smaller pieces. After cutting the pineapple, I will set aside. I will add the pineapple into the blender. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Ginger will help to aid digestion and also stimulate your metabolism. Cut the passion fruit into two. Then with a spoon, scoop out the flesh. When I'm done adding the passion fruit, you can add a little water and blend. You can add water according to your taste. Blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I will sieve the juice. I'll be using a fine strainer to sieve the juice. Finally, the pineapple and passion fruit juice is ready. It smells so good and it is so refreshing. This juice will help to boost your immunity and refresh your skin. I hope you try this and thank you all for watching.